In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use workflows to automate tasks. We'll build a simple, reliable automation in HubSpot that turns call activity into actionable, assigned follow-up work. No manual chasing required. Start by heading to your HubSpot home. From the main navigation, open Automation and select Workflows. Click Create Workflow and choose from scratch so you have full control over the setup. Give your workflow a clear descriptive name so teammates know exactly what it does at a glance. Next, set your enrollment trigger. Open the Emails, Calls, and Communication category and choose Call Events. Call events are system-logged milestones related to calling, things like when a call starts or ends, so they're perfect for triggering timely follow-ups. For this example, select Call Ended. This enrolls a record right after a logged call finishes, which is ideal for creating immediate next steps while the conversation is still fresh. Add criteria to narrow who gets enrolled. Choose the Call Country filter. This filter references the country on the call record, allowing you to focus on specific regions. Enter USA and Canada as your values, then click Next. Now add a refinement condition. Choose Contact Properties. Pick Last Contacted and set it to This Week. Last Contacted tracks the most recent touchpoint, call, email, or meeting, on a contact, and this week is a rolling window aligned to your account's calendar. Together, they ensure you only enroll contacts you've actively engaged with in the current week. Click Next, then Save and Continue. It's time to define the action. Go to CRM and select Create Task. Add a concise, outcome-focused task title that tells the assignee exactly what to do. For the due date, pick a custom date and set it to 2 days. Turn on business days only so deadlines don't land on weekends or holidays. For reminders, choose a custom date and set it to 1 day before due to send a timely nudge. Set the task priority to high so it surfaces at the top of queues and notifications. Assign the task to a specific user. Clear ownership drives accountability, avoids duplicate work, and makes sure the right person follows up with the right contact. Select the assignee and click Save. When everything looks good, click Review and Turn On. If a review panel appears, you can skip to Turn On, then confirm with Turn On Workflow. You're done. This workflow now creates a high-priority follow-up task 2 business days after a qualifying call ends, with a 1-day reminder, limited to calls from the USA and Canada, and contacts engaged this week. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.